happy Valentine to all of you.
Happy Valentine's!
Happy Valentine.
Today we invite our parents here for lunch
Yes.
on Valentine Day, and also we want to give them a surprise.
Surprise!
Surprise is that we receive a blessing.
Yeah, we receive gift from
our
our viewers from
Yes.
Brompton,
Ontario,
Canada.
Yes, we received this gift and they sent to my parents. I really appreciate people. They remind us and my parents as well, my family. So I'm very thank you to Reggie and Donna. Who sent very far from Ontario to India. And also I want to a big shout out to all Donna and Reggie's Punjabi Indian friends there. Please guys,
Punjabi Indian community in
Communities,
Brompton area.
yes, a big shout out to them. And I want to pass the message them in Hindi. आप कैसे हो गाइस? अच्छे होगे आशा रखती हूँ. आप विदेश में हैं तो हम हमारी चैनल के जरिए आपको एंटरटेन करा सकते हैं. प्लीज़ आप हमको सपोर्ट करें गाइस. Thank you very much.
Okay, this surprise is for mom and Kartik family.
Yes.
Because Reggie and Donna wants to give them presents for this two family, and also for this lady. You know, she is our friend Gita. She is widow, and Reggie and Donna as well wants to share their blessings to this lady.
Them as well.
So let's see if she's coming today. You know her job. She is what's her job? This.
Like she's collecting, like
collecting
recycling.
recycling.
Yes.
Hopefully she's coming today, yeah?
Yes.
And then we will surprise them when we have Valentine's lunch here.
Yes.
So Shama cook a very delicious chicken curry. Chicken curry she cook.
Yes. And also we want to say about our love story.
Yeah, about life story, because guys, it's 1 year anniversary now since I uploaded this video about how I met my beautiful wife. Exactly date, I think February 16, and you know that time I was, I think 5 months exactly when I upload, since I started our channel. But that time I got only like 100 subscribers and views is not that good. So, but I'm very happy guys to share with you. After 1 year, now we got more than 600,000 views. Yeah.
Yes.
More than 600,000 views, exactly 638,000 views after 1 year. So thank you guys for watching and supporting our channels.
And these our link is described in our description.
Yeah, we will put in the description,
so you can watch there.
for those who do not watch it, our love story. Very
Yes.
interesting love story.
So thank you guys for supporting us, and a big shout out to Reggie and Donna again and their friends, Indian friend in Ontario. Thank you very much guys. See you later at lunchtime.
Now Madam Shama's chicken curry is cooked. So we will put now the fresh coriander leaf. This is our Valentine's lunch for today.
દિવસે તે આપણે સુંદર ભોજન આપ્યું ત્યારે માટે આભાર માનીએ છીએ અને તે જય તારી સેવા માટે આટલે ટૂંકે સાંભળ અંગીકાર કર.
Amen. Hello guys. Okay, this is our Valentine lunch.
Guys, we are having lunch today. Yes. So do you know why we invite you for lunch? Valentine Day.
Valentine's
Especially
Day.
for Valentine Day. Dad is telling Valentine Day. So it's okay. I'm serving them food. But there is more secret. Not only Valentine Day only. Seema, can you serve the chapati please? Not only for Valentine dinner. There is a surprise for you guys here. So let's see what is surprise. Okay.
So after dinner, we will tell them the after lunch we will tell them the surprise.
Surprise.
Okay?
Okay.
So let's enjoy the lunch and after this surprise.
Okay. So kain na guys, comfort, lunch.
Yeah.
We are having. Is it nice, Kartik?
Yeah, very nice. Nice and very, very tasty.
Filipino are always asking why we eat on the floor. I said we are more comfortable to eat on the floor. Yeah.
This is culture and we are more
Right.
comfortable.
You know, Philippines as well, when we have children, we eat on the floor. But because of Western, we
Table.
change to table.
Yeah. But Indian culture,
It's same. Continue.
Same, yeah.
Yeah, it's not. Me as well, it's more comfortable with me to eat now on the floor.
You feel like satisfied.
satisfied and comfortable. You know.
But some Filipinos are always asking, you don't get backache while you are eating because they don't use to the
So hope guys you are enjoying with your family and your loved ones on Valentine days. We are enjoying with our family.
Yeah, good.
And happy Valentine's to all my family in Philippines,
Yeah,
Yes.
to all Filipinos.
especially Barangay San Jose, Lipa City,
Lipa City, yes.
Batangas.
Batangas. Yes.
Your city,
Yeah,
Batangas.
my-
Very
Yeah.
nice curry. I'm enjoying. And this basmati.
Basmati rice.
So it's time for surprise to mom first. Here we go, mom. Your surprise.
Open this. What is
Yeah,
this?
you're
Open
welcome.
this.
Not to me, Dad, to Reggie and Donna. Okay. How much they receive? From our viewer, Brampton, Ontario.
Thank you.
They received 2,500
Thank
rupees.
Thank you.
Donna and Regine, thank you for
Donna.
blessing.
Okay, wait,
Thank you.
wait. Okay, say, okay, Mom, say.
Reggie.
And Donna.
Thank you.
Okay. Wait, Kartik, you have surprise as well for Kartik and Sima.
And this surprise is for Sima.
Oh, yeah.
Kartik
Thank you.
family.
Kartik family, they send as well gift. So for baby, you have to buy
Thank you,
toy
thank you.
and balloon.
Hello. Thank you for this blessing
Thank
for
you.
Sima
Thank
and
you
my
so much,
family.
Rizzy and Donna. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy.
Okay. And now, one more is for Gita.
One more is for Gita. We are waiting for Gita. When Gita arrive, we will give to Gita. But before that, mom want to say something to Reggie and Donna.
Okay.
She will speak in Gujarati. I will translate.
Alright.
જેમણે આપ્યો છે રેજી અને ડોના એમને થેન્ક યુ અને ઈશ્વર તેમને પુષ્કળ આપે અને જે મને મદદ કરી છે હું કરિયાણું કે ઘરની ચીજ વસ્તુ છે તે હું લાવીશ અને જે બિંબો અને જે બ્લોગની ચેનલ ચાલે છે એ પણ અમને દર મહિને અને જે સમય અમને મદદ કરે છે તેમને માટે પણ હું થેન્ક યુ કહું છું.
Okay, thank you. It's clear, yeah, clear. But I don't understand.
No, I will
All right.
translate. She said more blessing to Reggie and Donna. God
All
bless
right.
you.
Thank
You have good heart to support us. From these, I will buy our basic needs like rice, wheat, like this. And I also want to thank Bimbo Corneo Vlogs whenever we need. They help us every monthly and whenever we need. They are helping. It's alright, mom.
All right.
This is my
We are family. We are family.
Dad,
પણ
dad.
મારે કહેવું છે તો.
Oh, dad. About dad.
One more. Huh?
About dad.
Okay.
મારા હસબન્ડનું એક્સિડન્ટ થયું હતું અત્યારે એમને જોબ નથી જોબલેસ છે
Hmm.
પણ જે આ મને ગિફ્ટ મળી છે ને તેની માટે હું થેન્ક યુ કહું.
Okay. What's that?
Because last year my dad faced accident. Yeah,
Yeah,
And he's
almost
job-
1 year now. I
1
think
year, yeah.
February or March?
February.
February, yeah.
And he is jobless now, and this is a very great help for them. They really appreciate Reggie and Donna.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Poppy, તારે કશું કહે? કાર્તિક.
Thank you for Reggie and Donald. Thank you for this gift to your money.
Especially to little boy.
Little gift, baby. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello guys, today we are waiting for Geeta, but she don't arrive. So we plan to go to her house to give this blessing to her. So let's go to Geeta's house.
Hello, Gita.
Hello.
Namaste. Kem cha? Okay. Sit down, Gita. We've been to your house.
તમારા ઘરે આયેલા?
Ah,
કીધું?
yeah, she saw me. Guys, this is Gita, my girlfriend. Happy Valentine's, Gita. Happy Valentine's, yeah? Okay, and your... What's your name? Buri, happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Okay, Gita. Madam Shama has surprise for you. Okay.
એક સરપ્રાઈઝ છે તમારી માટે સરપ્રાઈઝ છે કારણ કે અમારા ફ્રેન્ડ છે ને રેગી ને દોના કેનેડામાં રહે છે અમારા એમણે તમારા માટે પૈસા મોકલી આપ્યા છે બરાબર એ તમને થોડી મદદ કરવા માંગે છે બરાબર અજાણ્યા છે પણ એ અનનોન પર્સન બટ she they are willing to help you.
Hello guys, bali ito yung gustong mangyari nung nagpadala from Canada. 2,500 for mom and 2,000 for Sima, and for Gita is 1,000 rupees. Yan one that collects empty plastic bottles. And for the rest is Amini Shama. So they send 7,393 Indian rupees. Okay, so now Gita, here is your 1,000 rupees. Yay! Gita is laughing, smiling, beautiful smile. All right. Oh, what is that? What is that?
Thank you for helping. God will give that people more.
Yeah, say not to me. Thank you to these
who
people
is-
from. Yeah.
Who is sending,
Yeah, I
God
know.
give them
Okay, so thank you very much for them. Yeah, they are very big heart. They are helping which they don't know. They never met. I'm very shocked as well for that. Okay.
Yes.
So everybody's happy now, Gita.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bimbo Cornell.